Hi Facebook friends! I am super excited to show you today because I posted this earlier about how much I really want you to take advantage of this deal. And so I thought I would show you. I don't have the exact package because I'm not a new distributor, so I don't get it, but I can show you kind of what's in it that you get for free. And what does it mean that you get it for free? It means that you join me. It means that I can teach you how to do this business. It means that you're going to join our team, which is the best, the most awesome team on the planet, I think. And the fact that you get an opportunity to try products and experiment with them and then share them with others if you choose to. Signing up to be a SeneGence distributor can be two things. It can be personal use and you just get your stuff that you love at a discount, and or you can share it with others and you can get a discount on your personal product and you can share it with others and you can make some money. Everybody likes to make money, right? Especially because, you know, multiple streams of income is the way to go. I'm telling you, it is the way to go. Hi, Julie. Hi, Elizabeth. Okay, so when you sign up to be a distributor of SeneGence, which is what I am for 20 years, and I signed up like in 1999, so I've been doing this a long time, and all of you know that I've been doing this because I post all the time about it. And I love what I do. I love my life. I love everything about it, and including my business. And what that means, it's not just about making money. It's about friendships. It's about traveling the world. It's about personal development. I have changed so much since I started my home-based business. It's unbelievable. It's called direct selling. So when you sign up to be a distributor for $55 this month only, you get this. I'm going to show you. You get all 6 of these colors for free in what's called the Lips Kit. Okay, so when you get these colors, these are the full-size colors, and the ones you get for free are a little bit smaller because they're tester sizes, but they're still usable product. Like, you can use them all yourself. You can experiment layering colors together, creating different looks. And you also get applicators to where you can share it with others and let them try it on too. So you get in there these 6 colors. I have them on my hand and I want to show you because on the skin they look so pretty, right? So this one is Bella. Let me try to turn this around so I can. On my arm is kind of weird. Let's see. How do I do this? Okay, this one is Bella. That one's this one right here. This is called Bella. And then this one is called Caramel Apple. Let me find the Caramel Apple one for you so you can see it. That one is called Caramel Apple, the middle one. And then the next one is Love It. And that's what I have on my lips right now. I have on Love It. It's a really good summer color, especially when you have a tan. And you can layer it with so many other colors. And so this is Love It right here. That's Love It. And then this one is Bombshell. And Bombshell is a very light color. So people that don't want very much color at all but want something on their lips, that's Bombshell. And then Dawn Rising is a light brown for those people that really like no pink in their color whatsoever. And then Sheer Berry is the #1 selling color across the whole entire world. And it has been that way for a long time because every single person can wear Sheer Berry. It doesn't matter what color of skin, it doesn't matter, you know, it doesn't matter what color hair you have, it doesn't matter how old you are. Sheer Berry is one of those colors that's sort of neutral, has a bit of a plum base, but it's a neutral, considered a neutral. So you get all 6 of those colors for free. Hi, Norma. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Jill. So when you sign up, you get all of those for free, plus you get 5 beauty books, which is our catalog, so that you can share it with others if you want to. Do you have to? No. but why not? Why wouldn't you share something that you love? I certainly do, because I love it. Then you also get a full-size glossy gloss and a full-size Oops Remover, because when you wear lip scents, you want to start out as a collection, because the color stays on all day. The gloss is what gives you the moisture, and the Oops Remover is for mistakes when you make a mistake, and it also is for removing at the end of the day. So you get all that for free, plus you get glossy gloss samples to give to people. This glossy gloss is shea butter and vitamin E. It's the best gloss on the planet, and I'm not joking. You love Sheerberry? Oh, good. Hi, Marcy. Thanks for watching. Okay, and then you get the, it's a really cool thing. What do you call this? Like a notebook, kind of like, I can't think of the word. Anyway, you get to put everything inside of this so you can carry it around, and you also get customer purchase receipts in case you want to sell some and make some money. I don't know anybody that doesn't want to make extra money, especially with something as fun as makeup. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what you get for free when you sign up for $55 this month. And it's only for July. The company has never done, I've been a distributor for 20 years. The company has never, ever, ever done anything like this before. Like, this is over $200 value, and you get it for free just for signing up for $55. And is there a like a minimum or a monthly minimum or anything like that? Nope. The only thing you have to do to stay active as a distributor is to order $200 retail, not wholesale, retail, in a 6-month period of time, and that's it. And of course, you're going to do that anyway, just for your own stuff, and the shadows and the skincare and the body wash that's amazing, and the hair care and all those things that you can get at a discount. You're going to go to somewhere and buy them anyway. Why not buy them from your own store? It doesn't make sense that you would go to Ulta or Walmart or, you know, Target or anything like that and give them money to buy products when you can be a distributor and buy them wholesale and buy them from your own store. I mean, it makes so much more sense to me, especially the highest quality of ingredients that you can get on the marketplace. And patented technology. It doesn't make sense to do it any other way. Oh, binder, that's what it's called. Thank you, Julianne. Thanks for watching, everybody. I just wanted to show you what you get for free because I think it's a good deal. I mean, like, everybody likes a good deal. And I do. I like a good deal. And I think this is like the best deal I've ever seen. So if you're interested, just message me or text me or call me or whatever you want to do. And let me know if you want to sign up so you can get all of these 6 lip colors for free. I'll show them to you again. And you also not only get the lip colors for free, these 6 lip colors for free, but you also get the gloss and the Oops Remover. All of this for free when you sign up for $55. Now, it costs a little bit more than $55 because you pay tax and shipping to get your new distributor kit sent to you. Not this. This is free. You get a new distributor kit, plus you get a book. You get a book that talks about Joni and the founder of the company, and my name is in that book. She names me in her book, and you get that for free too. Well, not for free. You get it when you sign up for $55. I know it's a fantastic deal. I think it's an amazing deal. Like, seriously, why would you not want to do this? It doesn't make sense to me. Even if you've never tried lip scents before, hello? Is it like the best way ever to try lip scents? Because $55 is what this costs. When you buy this from me, this is $55. 1 color, 1 gloss, 1 remover is $55 when you buy it from me as a customer. So for $55, you get to sign up, you get Joni's book, plus you get all of this for free. Like, really? I mean, it's really a good deal. Okay, so I just wanted to, not being judgmental, but isn't that supposed to go on your lips? What's supposed to go on your lips? Yes, it's supposed to go on your lips, John. It's lip scents. It's supposed to go on your lips. See? I put it on my hand because I want to show people the color. Is that what you mean? See, it doesn't come off. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't feather, it doesn't smear, it doesn't smudge, and it's totally kissable. So any husband that doesn't want their wife's lipstick all over them and all over their cans and all over their coffee cups and all over their wine glasses and everything, this is the product for you. Not if you're trying to share it. Julianne, you're answering, John. That's funny. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. And I'm heading to Dallas this afternoon. Well, this evening, actually. I'm taking a red eye to Dallas, and it's going to be so fun because we're doing a SeneGence distributor training in the Dallas Cowboys Stadium. It's going to be so fun. Watch for pictures because I will be posting stuff. Okay, everybody, bye for now. Thanks for listening. And I'm going to love you whether you choose to take this deal or not, but I think it's a really good deal. You might want to consider it, and it's only till the end of the month. Let me know. Okay, my ID number is 1121, just so you know. Bye for now.